Anyways, this is the square that they said that the fireworks will be shot at. So I'll just wait and see. Oh yeah, that is her. Finally found her.
Yeah, welcome to the live video. We are here at Lantern Festival. Come along, fireworks, fireworks.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, like I told you, I finally found her hiding spot. Well, it looks like I need to go around for me to be able to reach. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the last and final day of the BNZ Year 2024, the Lunar Year of the Dragon, the Auckland Lantern Festival. And in about 5 minutes there will be a fireworks that will be blown. And yes, I am just headed towards the square to watch the fireworks myself. And yes, I have had time to eat. I did come in a little bit early, around 8 o'clock, and the fireworks will be at about 9:50. This is about 9:45, they're about 9:47, so in about 2 minutes or so, fireworks will be blown. Oh, I don't know who that was, but yeah, she's telling me what I already know. But yeah, where did she go? Yeah, I'm searching for her, but looks like she has disappeared. Okay, I think she's disappeared onto there. The guys in the orange. But anyways, we'll just wait for the fireworks. The last day has so many people, like you can barely actually breathe. Too many people. Anyways, this is the square that they said that the fireworks will be shot at. So I'll just wait and see. Oh yeah, that is her. Finally found her.
Yeah, welcome to the live video. We are here at Lantern Festival. Come along, fireworks, fireworks.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, like I told you, I finally found her hiding spot. Well, it looks like I need to go around for me to be able to reach that area. But by the time you reach that area, the fireworks would have gone off. Yeah, just this one here. That's Cathay Pacific's stand. Alright, this stand was set up by Cathay Pacific as they are part of the sponsors, giving out free popcorns and telling people to enter their details for them to be able to win free economy class ticket to Hong Kong. I told them if it's economy class ticket, I'm not interested. And the lady was not impressed with my answer. Oh, she thought that I was joking. I told her, nope, not interested. Not gonna fly 11 hours on a cramped out seat. No, not interested at all. But anyways, yes, I have a little bit of energy. I have done some short videos which I will upload later. Yeah, I took time just taking some of the lovely lanterns of my choice to put in as shorts. This is looking more like a concert. rather than a festival. Yeah, it's looking more like a concert rather than a festival. Not sure why they hijack. But anyways, let me look at the time again from my phone. It is 9:51. And fireworks are yet to go off. If they are not serious to shoot the fireworks, I'll just be heading home, to be honest. I don't have time. Looks like we are a little bit late. So what will happen is I'll just pause the video. I mean, I can't pause it anyways because iPhone doesn't have the pause feature. But I'll just close it once the fireworks start. I'll put the video back on. If I wait for too long, if it's not firing, I'll just head home. Don't have time. Go work tomorrow. Anyways, a lot of people, massive crowd.
20, 19, 18, come on, 17, 16, 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, catch your eye, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
telling you, respect yourself. No. Yeah. It's all right. It's all good. It's all good. So what a spectacular fireworks by the organizers of the BNZ Lantern Festival. Yeah, and sorry about that, somebody just hit me for no reason. And yeah, I was almost in an altercation until somebody came to the rescue. So yeah, it is what we face every day, but at the end of the day, I just gave him a warning, but somebody came to intervene. If not, the nuclear superpowers will need to show what they are capable of. But anyways, it's all good. And what a good event, what a good show. And it is all right. Anyways, a very big thank you to each and every single one of you for stopping by, dropping by to view another of my event showcasing videos. And yes, I will be I will be going on my way, and I will be going home, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed the show itself. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much.